They say that Simon Ekpa has released a video of some Nigeria army where Biafra Liberation Army don't buy. No be small thing, no. As we dey talk that one viral video don't still come outside show the Biafra Liberation Army in the street where they Chàsé men dey. No be small thing. This one dey happen for inside Biafra land. We go bring the video come up for you, may you see, and before we come back and continue. Yeah, my people, let's find out how this thing take happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. Would they here today bring you updates of things where they happen for inside Biafra land, for inside Nigeria, and for inside Africa. International would they there. Let's jump into the Ogbenge news where we get for our hand today. They say that a viral video will be say where they show say Biafra Liberation Army buy about almost 5 Nigeria army. For this video we will show you and may you see wetin dey happen for inside Biafra land. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
That's how this life be. The life is IPOB no go better for you people. IPOB no go better for you people. See our men. All our men. All our men. You don't do it, maybe? All our men. They kill our men. One day shall never end.
God help us.
That's how this life be. See the record, Abi.
Labu call the outside.
See, Labu.
Go have mercy.
MC is dead.
Jesus Christ.
See, Awudu is dead. Right.
God have mercy.
Is dead.
Mercy. Have mercy. Have mercy. Okay.
I saw this life. I saw this life. One day shall never end. One day shall never end. One day shall never end. One day, wow. God. God. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Video me too. Okay. I don't video me. Hi, human being. Which kind of life we they serve? Which kind of life we they? Hey, God. This life is a full of evil. This life is a full of evil. Jesus. Oh. One day shall never end. One day shall never end. One day shall never end. God.
Have mercy. Huh? Now people will do together and I can't be dead body. Hey, Labu.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, those people where they see for down for there now, 4 people, they don't go. Why will no fit show the video full? If you want to watch them, go our Twitter page, our S page, and go and watch it over there, because the video for Facebook for here na big crime. So no be smart, you know. That's why we will come put them like that. But to use and show and say he come right to as he tweeting the Simon Ekpa will be PM of Biafra government in exile talk for this particular video. He said that who remember this woto where come kill Biafra and usually and collect woto. So now waiting Simon Ekpa right for in S space like be this. So following this video. So let's play you the next video of this Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter in the street of Biafra.
When you lie by your friend, no, you don't.
Anytime I die, even if I'm a die and I die, even if I'm going to die and I die. Amen, do.
When you lie by your friend, no, you don't.
Anytime I die, even if I'm a die and I die, even if I'm going to die and I die.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have also watched that video, this now waiting they go on, no, and I will see some more bring a go show na more na no waiting they happen for inside Biafra land. I beg, I want you to share this video and make sure say you give the channel a follow. This one now quick update as they hot, and also they bring up they come. Yeah, my people, I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't know what you the way to, may you quickly do so that you could get our update back to back as they hot. And get way to one tell some people where be say if we post or come things, they go first put for inside the matter. This channel is not supporting only one cause. We dey here to bring any update of any angle where they happen. So if you bring the one where you know like what you go do now, just give us a thumbs up, comment and go. Or bring the one where you like them as you want, comment as you like for inside them. Now what you want make una understand, may una know, because some people come they think say maybe this channel that against them. I know that against anybody. I will not there against anybody. Our own na to bring update of waiting they happen. The one where you know like leave and making go. Or if you comment put, or if you share them as well. But if you feel to leave them, no problem, no wahala. We know they beg you to do so. But however, you have to do because you are a member here as well. You are my fan. So the support where if you give us now to share our video and make sure say you try to like and comment as you see our video. So don't be offended though if we bring the ones where you know like. And don't be offended, say we still no bring the one where you know like that same day. Next day, if you bring the one where you like, now so it be. Now the news where we come across, now they carry come give on a more see waiting they happen for Africa, for inside Biafra land and for inside Nigeria as well. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you now for another update as it they hot. Stay tuned.